Okay everyone, so in this lecture we are going to talk about the navigation commands. So first, okay, file permission. In our last video we have seen about the file permission. Now we are going to understand the navigation commands. First navigation command would be the pwd. So we are going to just see how we can navigate from file to files. So first is the pwd command, which we have done already many times. So pwd command stand for the present working directory. So if you type pwd, it will giving you the exact path where you stand as of now. So if we go under this ec2, then user, then if you write pwd, it will show you the exact absolute path in /home/ec2 user. Next one is the cd command. Cd command, which we generally do, cd command stand for the change directory. So if you wanted to change the directory from one to another, you can use the cd command. Okay, if we type cd double dot, it will take yourself one step back. Now you are under this /home/ec2. If you do cd space dot dot and again you do pwd, you can see you are now under only the /home. Similarly, if you go again under this ec2 user, now pwd, you can see your current directory is /home/ec2 user. You can also type cd dash. It will also take you one step back and showing where you are. So it is also showing you /home. You now reach to this directory /home. So these are the three commands: cd dash, cd dot dot, and normal cd and the directory name. It will redirect you to the next directory. Now, if you wanted to directly go to the root directory where all the file system starts, you just write cd space this. Then you will go to this directly to the root directory. If you do ls, you can see all the files over here. Similarly, go to the home directory. Sometimes you can also use cd this symbol and you can enter. If you type ls, this is basically the home directory. If you type pd, you are under the root directory. Here you can see this root one. This is the root directory. But if you wanted to do the major root directory where all the file system starts, you have to write the command cd this symbol. Then it will redirect you over here directly. Right? You are not in the /root directory, but you are under the /. So this is the file. This is the command basically you can use to navigate. Now ls, if you wanted to list the directory content, we have used multiple times ls. It will show you the details. So ls stands for the listing the directory. So if you wanted to see, suppose ls dash r local, then it will, there is nothing over there. Otherwise, suppose if you go /ls minus r, just go for where folder. So it is going to the details over here only. You don't need to go into it. Then you can write ls. You can also take the detail of any of the directory content just using this single command. So using this command, you can also have the idea about the another directory. You can also give the absolute path over here if you wanted to see the content of a directory. So we have understand how we can use the pwd command. We have used the cd commands and the ls command. Next we have find command. Suppose if we go cd home, cd ec2 user, and if you do ls, we have a first.txt, right? Now suppose we are here, we don't know where the first.txt is there. So what we can do, we wanted to search any specific file, we will going to use the command find. The syntax is find the path, right? So I don't know where the exact path. If I know, you can use that. Otherwise I'm going to just enter /, which is the root directory. Okay, then we have to type dash name. So we are looking for a file, just to type dash name and then the file name, which is first.txt. So if we hit enter, you can see it will search this file entirely starting from this directory, and they are able to successfully find the directory or the file's path, that is the first.txt. So we just write the command find. Here you have to provide the source path where you wanted to search this specific file. If you know Suppose you know, okay, I know, suppose there is a slash home directory. You know this file is still present under this directory, but you don't know the exact location. Then what you can do, rather than providing the root directory path, you can simply write over here home, then slash name, then you have to provide the file name. By using this command, they will easily find the file which you are looking for. So this is the command if you wanted to search any specific file under the Linux file system. Next command is the grep command. Grep command basically search to find anything. Suppose what we do, we will go back cd, we do ls, we go under the word directory. Okay, we have already seen, we go under the log, here we have multiple files, we just clear the screen, we do ls, we have this cloud init.log, right? So we just copy, we type less, already we have seen this command, right? So suppose this is the file, we can scroll down, we just pick the word. Suppose I'm going to pick this configuration word. I wanted the list of all the lines, how many times this configuration word occurred. So what we do, we type cloud init.log. Okay, so this, what this command does, it will give the entire output of this file. We use this vertical line that we called a pipe, then we type grep. What grep, then inverted comma, we will write that specific word that we are looking for. So what this command do, first command will take the entire output of this file. This pipe will take this output and make the input for this command. Now we are just filtering this word from the entire output of this file. We will just hit enter and you can see it started showing up the configurations. So whatever the configuration you wanted to see, it will give you the exact number or the exact lines highlighted that word. So by using this command, this grep command is very helpful, and after this end of this lecture we will also learn how you can filter a very big log file to see any specific error, then how this grep command will help you on that. So we have to understand the redirection, piping, wildcard, everything we have seen. But as of now, talking about the navigation, we understand the pwd command, cd command, and the ls command, along with the file and grep command. In the next video, we will understand the combining commands, redirection, piping, wildcard, everything. Then we will move forward to the Linux advanced troubleshooting commands. But yeah, if you like the video, please do let us know, and see you into the next lecture. Thank you.